Hey there riders, Moto Journo Kris here today, and I just wanted to give a mini review of the Yamaha genuine aluminium chain guard. As you can see here, we've got it fitted to the MT-07, and it's a cool piece of kit which really stands out in the silver. It would be kind of cool even to color match this, perhaps to the wheels or in some way which makes it stand out even more, because there's not a lot of silver on the bike, but at the same time it looks really good. The blacked out shock protector definitely helps tie everything in with the bike. It's a nice easy install, very easy. It is $180 for this particular modification. It is a genuine Yamaha accessory though, so very high quality. It's made in Holland. It goes on really nicely, nice and clean. It's going to be an easy thing to keep clean as well because there's good access there, while it still offers a good amount of protection for the chain itself. So overall, I think this is a really easy and quite good addition to the bike, mainly because it stands out on the rear of the bike, gives the rear of the bike a little bit of oomph. I can't tell whether I'd like to see it in blue and matching the wheels maybe, or perhaps even, you know, something that's going to stand out more like in red, but that might be taking it to a bit too much of an extreme. But a really cool piece of kit. Anyone could install this themselves. I've got a video up on how to do the install and having a look at it in general. But overall, you know, I think this is probably something that if you're looking to bling up your bike a little bit and you want a high quality component, is going to tick all the boxes. The cutouts in it certainly help make it a little bit more sporty. And of course, you know, it's going to help draw the eye to this part of the bike, and then you'll probably remember to clean your chain a little bit more often, which is also a really good thing. So overall, very impressed with that modification from Yamaha. $180 is not the cheapest, but it is a two-piece, and while there's, you know, not a heap of mounting fixture, they're quite high quality aluminium, of course, they're not just plastic, and the build quality is there. So if you've got any questions about this chain guard on the bike, just let me know. Like I said, there is a video on the installation process as well. Quite a simple one, quite a quick one. As always, stay safe out there, have plenty of fun riding if you've got the opportunity to do that now. If you don't, it's a good idea at the moment to work on your bike, maybe pick up some mods. That's certainly what I'm looking at doing at the moment for my own bikes, and what I've done to this project MT-07, which is pretty cool. It's been keeping me a little bit busy when I haven't been out on the road, and have a good one.